Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This noise typically indicates an issue with the blades or the motor. If left unchecked, it could lead to more severe damage, making your device unusable. It's best to address this problem promptly to avoid costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver, a replacement blade assembly, and possibly a pair of pliers. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the base of your Thermomix, unscrewing the screws located at the underside. Be gentle to avoid damaging any of the clips holding the casing together. Once opened, locate the blade assembly. You should see that it is secured with a few screws. These may be a bit tight, so apply firm but gentle pressure as you unscrew them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently pull up the blade assembly. Be cautious not to force it, as this can damage the surrounding components. If you find any cables attached, carefully disconnect them before fully removing the assembly. Now, take your replacement blade assembly and connect any necessary cables before securing it back in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure you apply the right amount of force, but do not over-tighten, as this can lead to damage. After the blade assembly is secured, replace the casing of the Thermomix and reinsert the screws to hold it in place. Before plugging it back in, double-check that everything is secure and that no tools are left inside the device. Once you've done that, plug in your Thermomix and give it a test run. Listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds normal, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the blades and avoid overloading the device. Taking good care of your Thermomix will ensure it stays in good working order for years to come. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.